Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our Sesame Street toys are going to slide into the lake. It's a nice hot day and it's good to keep cool and stay hydrated. Let's go for a slide. And will our toys float or sink? Let's find out. Hey, look, Tiny fans, there's a fish swimming around. Oh, it's going under the dock. Abby's gonna go first. Ready, set, woo! And Abby floats. Cookie Monster is next. Ready, Cookie Monster, woo! Cookie Monster floats too. Don't go too far, toys. I don't have my bathing suit on to go get you. And Elmo is third. Last but not least, woo! And they all float. Let me grab them. 1, 2, oh, don't sneak away, Cookie Monster. Got you. Now they're drying off in the sun and getting their vitamin D. Not too much because you don't want to burn.